Hi, today I'm going to take one thrifted item and flip it to a makeover and show you three different ideas for using this piece and decorating it. Three different utility ways. So this is a little box that I thrifted a few years back. This is used for gifting goodies or any kind of gift item. The box itself has its own value. I got it some time back. This has this beautiful golden finish on it, borders, lovely latch, and it is well constructed. It looks beautiful, though the top is a little flimsy, but I really like it. The golden finish and the ornate designs are really beautiful here. If I look at the back side, I think this was sometime in 2019 that I got it, and it had been lying with me because I was not getting that, lightning of a bulb, striking of an idea. Okay, now what I have planned today is to use this box in three different styles. Now the first thing, I just leave it just the way it is. It's like a shadow box because of the clear top. Now the top is a bit flimsy, so I can push it down, weigh it down, and it can go down. Or I can remove this transparent piece of cover from the top. It is just a thick transparency kind of thing, and fill it with some florist foam or just glue everything on top of this itself. So I have this whole lot of old flowers with me, artificial ones. These are the ones which are old. They have broken off their original branches. They have the colors that I don't like. They are falling apart. Some are breaking apart. So this is that collection which I was about to toss away, but then one can use them as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bunch them together so they look more fuller, and then glue them onto this top portion which I have pushed down, and just hot glue them in place. So I'm just trying it, randomly arranging, trying to figure out what will look good, and then fix it in this using hot glue, and this will look like a beautiful flower box, a lovely decor idea. One can even use different kinds of succulents and do the same thing, or another idea, you can make a little miniature garden here with lots of imagination that you can put in there. So this is just an idea that I wanted to show you. My second idea with this box is to open it up. So I'm going to unscrew the latch and the hinges here. I want the lid piece and the base box piece apart, separated. So I'm happy to find that there are screws and I can unscrew it easily and save these pieces for later. My today's DIY video is part of the Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge that is hosted monthly by Kay and Trish from Crafting Cousins and Teresa from Our Green Acres. I'll put links to these lovely channels down in my description box along with this month's playlist link so that you get more thrift flip ideas. I love doing decor items, but I prefer to do decor which can be functional at the same time. So coming back to the box, the latch has come out and taking the hinges out. The screw in the hinges are a little tighter, so I did it at my own away from the camera, and once I took it off, I realized that the other part of the hinge is tucked inside the lid. So the lid is basically a picture frame with hinge attached to it, which has been covered with this lovely golden cardstock paper. Yes, That's what it is. So I just lifted the cardstock paper slightly and unscrewed the hinges from here. It was also stuck with little glue, I guess, but it came off pretty easily with the screwdriver. So once this is away, the attachments are away, I just have one lid and another the box part. I'm carefully collecting my hinges, their respective number of screws, and the latch and the screws, and placing them in a clear packet, sealing it so that I can use it for a future project. Nothing goes waste here. Now with this lid portion, it is a beautiful frame, but I don't like the inside. It's scratched and even the transparent portion is a bit cloudy. So I have to take it out. Luckily it came out so easily, I just pulled it out. Now this transparency thing has got this beautiful ornate bow right in the center, which still has lovely colors of gold and like rhinestones. So I'm going to take it away. It's just stuck with hot glue, so I can use this piece in future project again. Now the frame, it is a lovely frame. You can paint it into a color that you desire, but for the time being, now that it's lovely and gold and nice and shiny, I'm going to keep it just like that. I have this beautiful picture that was painted and gifted to me by a friend and a neighbor who left recently for a different place, and I wanted to frame this picture for a while. I think this fits in here beautifully and it will make a beautiful decor in my home, and we will be able to remember our friends even better. Now the box part. Nothing much to do. It's a box, rather it's a tray now. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some wood filler into the small holes where the screw was, sand it and touch it up with little gold color acrylic paint, and it's done. It's a tray, it's a utility item, very functional, and I can use it in my home. I hope you liked my today's ideas, quick thrift flip idea. So just keep your eyes and your imaginations open and enjoy being creative. Thank you so much, everybody.